Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create a YouTube short. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For the matter, first of all, go ahead, open up your YouTube app. Then from this section, go ahead, tap on this plus icon in the middle. Then from this section, go ahead, it will switch to short if it's in video or anything. Once you're in the short section, go ahead, film one. You can go ahead, record it. Once you're done recording, you can go ahead, add anything that you would like from the section, a filter or anything or emoji. And then once you're done, tap on this check mark icon at the bottom right corner. Then once you're done with your video, you're going to go ahead, tap on next again. You can edit it however you would like as well. Then you're going to add your caption. You're going to go ahead and you check on the visibility. You can check on the audience as well, and tap on upload short, and there you go. That's how you can go ahead and create yourself a YouTube short. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.